Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can create a new partition or you want to create a new drive in your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. Now let's bring up our File Explorer first. Then here in this PC, now I have three drives right here. I have the Windows C drive, the Google Drive, and the Partition G drive. Now, if I'm going to create new drive because I want to transfer files, documents from the C drive into my new drive, then here's how we can do that. Now, let's minimize this. In the Windows search bar, type here disk management. This will appear under the best match, create and format hard disk partitions. Click on that. Maximize this, or you can just simply make a right click at the start button and then here you will find disk management and the same window will appear. Now you have here your Windows C drive, the Partition G drive, and the Google Drive. Now you need to look for the drive which has the higher or which has high capacity. This one, which is the Windows C drive, make a right click and then select shrink volume. Querying shrink space. Now we just have to wait for this. So here, enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. Now I'm going to type here 10,000 because 10 GB is around 10,000 MB. So I'm going to type 10,000 because 10 GB is around 10,000 MB. So once done, click on shrink. And you will have this 9.77 GB unallocated space. Now, once this is done or once this is present, right-click on it and then select New Simple Volume. Now, this window will appear. Welcome to the New Simple Volume wizard. Click on Next. Then here, you just have to leave it as it is and then click on Next. Assign the following drive letter, so you just need to choose from the list. You have a lot of choices here for the drive letter, so I'm going to go with R. Click on Next. Then format this volume with the following settings. File system, this should be NTFS. Allocation unit size, that is default. Volume label, you can change this into like anything you want. So let's try to save it as drive. I'm just going to name it drive. So it's up to you on what label do you like and just click on next. Also, do not forget to check this box for perform a click format. Click on next. Completing the new simple volume wizard, click on finish. And now we have the new drive, which is the R drive. Now let's open our File Explorer to confirm the new drive. And here we have created this new drive, which is star drive. So I can easily transfer files from the Windows C drive and transfer it into my new drive, which is star drive. So this is how you can easily create a new partition or create a new drive on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.